Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide and explanation on how you can set up your Chargebee API integration. This is super useful if you want to automate billing, subscriptions, or connect Chargebee with other apps. Make sure that you have the correct Chargebee plan that supports API access. So yeah, let's dive in. So the first thing that you will have to do is log into your Chargebee account, and once you've logged in, you will just have to navigate to your API settings. So it should be somewhere right here. So it should be under your settings, of course. And then you will just have to look for configure Chargebee and then look for API keys. And then after that, you will have to generate API key by clicking add API key, and then you will enter a descriptive name, and then you will select permissions, of course, which is read only for data fetch and full access for creating or updating subscriptions. And then after that, you will just have to click generate key, and then of course you will copy your API key once generated, and this is required to connect to your apps, of course. And then after that, you will go to your external app, and then you will just have to paste the API key and test the connection and then save. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.